Hey, what's up, guys? This is Swane, and I wanted to share this almond butter and apple snack idea. To start, you'll need almond butter. Read the ingredients and make sure it's made with almonds and doesn't have any added salt or sugar. Then grab an apple. It can be red or green. I'm using a yellowish green apple. Use a knife to slice the apple into small bite-sized pieces and spread the almond butter on the sliced apples. And that's pretty much it. You can pack this as a snack with you and eat it anytime. Plus, you're getting many nutrients. Like peanut butter, almond butter has monounsaturated fat that lower bad LDL cholesterol and raise good HDL cholesterol, improving heart health. Almond butter is great for the brain and memory, having vitamin E, vitamin B6, omega-3 fatty acids, and zinc that slows the aging of the brain. Almond butter has protein, making it a great option for building lean muscle. Apples have quercetin and vitamin C that give you increased energy levels, and no wonder apples are my go-to snack during training. Apples have polyphenols, quercetin being one of them, that slow the production of fat and cholesterol. Combined with almond butter, you're getting a pretty nutritious snack that tastes amazing. One serving size of almond butter is 2 tablespoons, or 32 grams, being about 210 calories, while one medium apple is about 95 calories, totaling to 305 calories. Almond butter and apple is an effective snack for weight loss, building lean muscle, and keeping your appetite satisfied in between meals.